Hi everyone, welcome back. We are playing the Escape Room Deluxe edition and we are going to be playing the Bankir map today. And I'll try and show you guys the complete walkthrough of this one with solutions to all the puzzles and how to solve them. So let's go. You will spawn in this room and the first thing that you need to do is collect the keys from here and then open this locker. So let's just open and you will get this image. Let me just click a picture of this one because I'll need it later to solve the puzzles. Anyways, so yeah, come to this side and you can see some dark gray lines. So these dark gray lines are actually the ones that will give you the digits of the code. So by the way, these lights will be different for everyone because this is a unique puzzle. So I'll show you guys the method to solve them, but the code will be different for everyone. So yeah, this focus on this dark gray from in my game. Focus on this one. So this one is 8 based on the image that we got in the locker. This is 8. Then this one is 4. This one is 2, and this one is 1. Quite a simple puzzle. The answer will be different, but I am sure you can easily handle this one. Enter the code here. So what was the code? 8, 4, 2, and 1. Then we'll get this puzzle. Now this is actually a very simple sequence puzzle. Again, this will be a bit different for everyone, but this is actually very easy, so I'm sure you can do it. So 9 into 2 is 18. And then this is difference of 15. So 15 is the second digit. Then 14, 28, 42 plus 14 is, I think, 56 if I'm correct. Yeah, so anyway, 22, 44, then we have 66. So this should be our next code. I think you have to enter it here, I think. So 18, 15, 56, 66. I hope it is correct. It is correct. Once again, this code, by the way, will be different for you. So make sure to solve it based on this pattern and correct it. Yeah, so it's a bit tricky, these money boxes. So this poster says you to check them out in oldest to newest. So oldest ones is the one that is from 2004. There are two from 2005 and one from 2006, right? So the first one is obviously going to be the oldest one, which is 2004 one, which is this one. So right, there's 207457, and the oldest one, because here you can see it is the fourth one and fourth. So fourth is the newest one, which is 2006 one. So now you need to add basically 572.002. But this is not a simple addition. This is a very weird addition. So let me just first write it in my notes so I can better explain to you guys. Yeah, almost done. So write it in this way, right? Now what you need to do is add it in a very weird way. So you have to basically add this plus this. So 572, let me just pull my calculator. So 572 plus 207 is actually 779. Let's just write it here. We have got this value, right? Now we need to find 457 plus 002 is 459. Now we have this value. Now come to this image. See, we have to minus this will give us the first part of the code. So 779 minus 459 is 320. So 320 is the first part of our code. Now we need to find like the same way, find this part of the image. So 3 and 2. So 2005 boxes is this one. So 200, 050. Then we have another 2005 one, which is this one. 442, 567. And this is a typo, so this is 567. Yeah. Now again we will do our weird maths here. So 200 plus 442 is 642, I think. Yeah. And then 4. Wait, I did a typo. What was this? This was 567. Yeah, now it is correct. So now 50 plus 567. So 567 plus 50 is 6, 1, and 7. So now we need to obviously minus this from this. So 642 minus 617 is 25. So now we have the first part as well as the second part of the code. So just enter both the parts here. 320, wait, 320 and 25, which is correct. And now you get access to this image. Now you need to decode what this means. So like for example, this upside down V means alphabet S, and this inverted L thing is actually A over there. Like this, you need to decode it. I think I have already decoded answer in my notes. Yeah. So when you decode this, what you get is say my name backwards. Now, whose name? The name of this person. So say it backwards. So SIIX, then TYSEVEN. So it says 67. If you can read it, it says 67. So 67 is my code. By the way, this code will be different for everyone. So make sure to just basically read backwards whatever is written in your poster. So 67 is the code. You can use it here. 67. Reminder: this code will be different for you in your game. So just enter whatever you get in your game. On to the next puzzle. The next puzzle is this one. Now focus. This will give you basically 3 digits, 1, 2, and 3 digits of the code. So focus on the first one. Focus on the red dots. Then come to this poster and just click on the red one. So 5 and 5 is 10. So add them and you will get the first part is 10. Why are we adding them? Because you can see addition symbol at the top of this board. On to the second, which is red and red here. So this light and this light, 7 is 9. Then for the last part of the code, there are actually 4 red dots, which is, so 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 4 is 6, and 6 plus 6 is 12, which is our next code. So 10, 9, 12, and you have to enter it here. 10, 9, and 12. Oops. 10, 9, and 12. Correct code. On to the final puzzle of our this room. We'll have to wait for the posters to pop up. I think that one is more important first. The poster, come on, posters, come out. Yeah, here are the posters. So we need to find basically the values of package 1 to ABCD. So package 1, let's start. Oops, that was a misclick. So package 1 is 1000 euros. Now you need to focus on this conversion route. So euro into dollar into yen into pounds, right? Pounds, come on, pounds, yeah. So let's find the value of package 1. We start with euro and then we go to dollar. So euro into dollar, where is it? So euro into dollar is plus 187. 187. Then we are into dollar now. So dollar into yen, which is here, dollar into yen is plus 422. Then we have yen into pounds, which is yen into pounds, which is 140. So yeah, now what you need to do is add them. So 1000 was our initial value. So 1000 plus 187 plus 422 plus 140. So what you get is 1749. Yeah, the total is 1749. 1749. Now focus on the green mark on the third question mark, which means our first digit is 4. And I think this is a glitch, but I think I'll explain it later. Anyways, focus on the package B. You start with 1000 pounds, and you start with 1000 pounds, and then you convert into euro first, then into yen first, then lastly into dollar. Let's just find its value as well. So pound into euro, sorry. Pound, pound, pound. Where is pound? Pound is here, here. So pound into euro is plus 104. 104 plus euro into yen. So euro into yen is 15 plus 15, and lastly yen into dollar. Yen into dollar is 110. Add these again. So you initially start with 1000. So 1000 plus 104 plus 15 plus 110. So 1229. So our total is 1229. And here the second digit is highlighted, which means our second digit of our code is 2. For package C, you need to do the same thing. Wait, why am I at the wrong poster? Package C is here, which is $1,000. Then you go convert into yen, into pounds, into euro. So here, now let's convert. So dollar into yen. So dollar into yen, where is dollar? dollar into yen is 422. So 422, then we have yen into pounds. So yen into pounds is 140. Then lastly pounds into euro, which is 104. Now add these again. So 422 plus 140 plus 104 plus 1000, because we start with 1000 initially. So our total becomes 1666, and you can see, so 16666 is the highlighted word. So our third digit is 6. Lastly, for package 6, you don't even need to count. You can just use your brain, because it's the first digit is always going to be 1. So this is going to be, so this should be our code, but I think this is a glitch. Let's just try once. So 4261. Yep. Oh no, this is correct. This is not a glitch. Sorry, my bad. So I was really confused. Anyway, yeah. So this is the total that you will get. I think the code is same for everyone, so you can just use it if you're confused. But I think I think I could have done a better job at explaining, but I was confused about the glitch. So sorry for that. I hope you understood this part. If you still have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Anyway, collect the diamond from here, and you are pretty much done for this room. Now you need to simply just cross this path and place the diamond here to escape. Hopefully this video helped you guys, and if it did, make sure to like and subscribe. Once again, thank you so much for watching and have a good day. Bye bye.